This video will show you what an owner markup is and how to create one. Owner markups are part of our discount functionality. This portion of VRM is located under Properties and Discounts. When you want to set up an owner markup, click on the New button. Under the Type drop-down, you will notice you just have the choice of deciding between a discount and a markup. If you would like to create an owner markup, select Markup from the drop-down, and you will notice Owner Markup will appear under the box. Check the box next to Owner Markup, and the markup that you create will actually add the amount to the rent. This means that when a reservation distributes, the amount of money that you've added as an owner markup will also be distributed to the owner as rent. Keep in mind that commission is also figured on this amount. To create the owner markup, the only fields you need to fill out are the ones at the top of the page. All the other information can be added if you would like to be more specific as far as which reservations will receive the owner markup. When creating one, you need to enter the name, the amount of the markup, whether you would like for it to be $1 or a percent, and if you select percent, whether you would like that to be prorated, and you need to enter the dates that a reservation must fall between in order for the owner markup to be applied to it. Keep in mind that when you enter these dates, if you leave the optional reservation arrival configuration box unchecked, a guest needs to check in or out between the arrival date and the departure date you enter in order to receive the markup. If you check the optional reservation arrival configuration box, a guest has to check in and out between the two dates you have entered in order to receive the owner markup. Once you have completed your owner markup setup, click Save. The next thing that you will need to do is apply the markup to a property. To do this, select the markup, click Apply, select the office, and then pick the house you would like to apply the markup to. By clicking the Add button, you've applied the owner markup to this property. Even though you have applied the owner markup to the property at this level, you need to be sure the Allow Discount box is checked at the property level before any owner markups or discounts will be able to be applied to this property. To do that, go to Properties, Manage Properties, select the office, select the property, and click on Edit. Under the Miscellaneous tab, you need to be sure the Allow Discounts box is checked. If this box is checked and you have applied a discount or a markup to the property, reservations that meet the criteria of the markup or discount will receive them. Now let's look at a reservation that has been made with a markup added to it. For this reservation, you can see that we've added a markup of $50 and an owner markup of $100. The rental price is originally $2,000, but to get the new rental price, if you mouse over the rental price icon, a pop-up will open showing you the total rent amount. So for this reservation, the rent amount is $2,150. You can make changes to the discount, markup, or owner markup fields from the screen. Once you do and click Save, if you roll your mouse back over the rental price, it will show the adjusted rent rate. And now you can see that it's $2,125, which would include the markup and the owner markup. If you look at the Summary tab of the reservation, you will notice we also break out the discount, markup, and owner markup on this screen. This way, again, you can tell exactly where the total rent price comes from. The base rent, the discount, and the markups gives you a total of $2,125. When a reservation distributes that has an owner markup, the amount of the markup does go to the owner as part of the rent amount. As an example, If we look at this reservation, you will see the original rent price is $760, and we've added an owner markup of $100. So this gives a total rent price $860. When you view the audit trail for this reservation, you will see the owner is getting $860 in rental income for the reservation. You will also notice that the management fee or the commission is 20% of the $860. So again, the commission is figured on the rental amount, which does include the owner markup. If you are interested in using the new owner markup functionality, or you just have questions about it, please contact the help desk at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.